This 2025 Grand Design Lineage 25FW is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 5, water heater, smoke detector, slide out, refrigerator, skylight, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, LP detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Grand Design Lineage 25FW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.